Welcome to the Timeline viewers. Here we will inform the latest update about Hurricane Milton. The hurricane is forecast to make landfall in Florida Wednesday night. Hurricane Milton was downgraded from a dangerous Category 5 storm overnight, but remained a very powerful Category 4 hurricane as it took aim at Florida's Gulf Coast, which is still reeling from Helene's record-breaking landfall just over a week ago. While fluctuations in intensity are expected, Milton is forecast to remain an extremely dangerous hurricane through landfall in Florida, the National Hurricane Center said in its 11 a.m. Eastern Time update on Tuesday. 51 counties in the state of Florida are under a state of emergency, with millions facing the prospect of evacuation ahead of Milton, which expected to make landfall in the Tampa area Wednesday evening. Speaking at a press conference Tuesday morning, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis emphasized that while wind speeds may have slowed, Milton is still a major hurricane with the potential to strengthen again before it makes landfall. Even if it does weaken, you're still looking at a major hurricane, DeSantis said. It is going to have really significant impacts. If it remains on its current path, Milton could be the worst storm to hit the Tampa area in over 100 years. The hurricane is one of only 40 hurricanes on record that have escalated to a Category 5 level in the Atlantic, and one of 7 hurricanes to have gone from a Category 1 classification to a Category 5 in 24 hours or less. Here is very important to know that where is Hurricane Milton and what is its path? Hurricane Milton was located around 130 miles northeast of Progreso, Mexico. It was about 520 miles southwest of Tampa. The storm had maximum sustained winds of 145 miles per hour. The storm was moving east-northeast at 9 miles per hour. The NHC warned morning that a large area of destructive storm surge will occur along parts of Florida's west coast. This is an extremely life-threatening situation, and residents in those areas should follow advice given by local officials and evacuate immediately if told to do so, the Hurricane Center said. Portions of the Florida Peninsula and the Florida Keys can expect rainfall of 5 to 10 inches, with localized totals up to 15 inches through Wednesday night. Such rainfall brings the risk of considerable flash, urban and aerial flooding, along with the potential for moderate to major river flooding, meteorologists said. Meanwhile, portions of the northern Yucatan Peninsula can expect 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. Extremely powerful Hurricane Milton is just north of the Yucatan Peninsula, forecast to remain an extremely dangerous hurricane when it reaches Florida Wednesday night. This is a very serious threat, and residents in Florida are urged to listen to local officials. Officials with the Federal Emergency Management Agency described Milton as the third fastest growing storm on record in the Atlantic, following Hurricanes Wilma, 2005, and Felix, 2007, during a call with reporters Monday afternoon. Stay tuned and like and subscribe for more informative videos.